guys, this is my first video. This gift is gifted by my aunt, and my name is Shanvi Pandey. My brother's name is Shlok Pandey. This is my first video I'm making, and so this things I got in this. I got stickers even. And I got fruits and salt, and I got wood, and when I got salt, when I got cucumber, I got even a tap. So come, let's fix it. We got the tap as well. So come, let's fix it. We got the tap thing as well. I don't know what to call. And this is for keeping fruit. So come, let's fix it. We have a battery option, and my aunt bought for me a modern kitchen. In this I got a battery. We have a battery system. Let me put screw and fix it. Guys, I fix it, but my father fixed it for me because that screw was there. It sounds nice. It's like a hot water burning in the oven. Not in the oven. It works like this. Guys, I will show this taps even works. Guys, I don't know why the tap is throwing water up. So I will fix it and come back. So guys, I got the basin, and this basin is joined to this tap. There's a pipe joined to it. So I'm pouring the water in it. It works nice. You can refill the water again and put it. Even my brother liked this set, so we both will share and play. I got some things. I'm going to open. I got a pan and a small, and I got a board which is to write the menu. Even I got some fruits and everything, and my brother liked to play with it. I got some spoons, plates and one bowl. I got salt. I got this, I don't know what this called, an omelette and one of the tomatoes. And in this I got the cookie which are two. One is strawberry cookie and another is carrot cookie. So come, let's open it. See, I got the thing, I don't know what it was. Even we got some of the more fruits in this. Last I will keep up here. Please read this side. And now I'm going to open the fruits and apple one. But me and my brother arrange it, and then we will show you the final look. अब मैं निकाल लिया. और ये नाइफ है. ये नाइफ है. नाइफ है. चाकू. इसे कटता है. ये कटती नहीं लगा. देखो नकली चाकू. नकली चाकू. कटती नहीं लगता. देखो. चम्मच. So we got a very lovely book also, and one straw and to clean the board. So I am fixing. और बोलो कि इसके अंदर दो straw. कोई हवा सबको. One is carrot cookie, and as well we got some stickers. So I will stick everything and show you the main theme which I made it with help of my father. Stick all these stickers taking my father's help. Today's special I wrote in the rice, chawal, dal. Rice and dal. So come let's make it. Guys, I have made the rice. So come let's keep them in the plate. Plate choke. Now come let's make dal. Special rice and dal is ready. Who want to eat it? Just come in our shop and try it. It will be so yummy. I like to give my naked food to my brother. And now come let's wash the dish plates. Guys, I washed it. I will wash my brother's plate even. Even I clean the spoon. Now the clean plates I will keep here. And even I have some of the cookies. One is carrot cookie, one is strawberry cookie. And we have sauce. Oh my god, in our fridge there was so much of ice, now it's melting. Just kidding, that was just a prank. I only poured water. Now I will wash my hands. Oopsies, the plate is full. But still I'm feeling hungry. Come let's make omelette and this I don't know what we call hot dog. With spoon I can take. I will take this and make. going to make a nice omelette. The omelette is ready. Now come, let's keep this both things in the pot and come, let's taste it. It's so yum. If you guys want this, you can take this in Amazon. Bye guys.